Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix LinkedIn login problems, account and verification errors step by step clearly. First, confirm you are on the official LinkedIn app or the official website and not a copied or suspicious page. Check your internet connection by opening another trusted website. Then switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data if needed. Restart your phone or computer to clear temporary glitches that can block the sign-in process. Make sure your LinkedIn app is updated to the latest version from the App Store or Google Play. If you use a browser, update the browser and then close and reopen it before trying again. Turn off any VPN or proxy temporarily because it can trigger security checks and verification loops. Double-check your email address or phone number and ensure there are no typos, spaces, or wrong country codes. Re-enter your password manually instead of autofill to avoid hidden character mistakes. If you forgot your password, use Forgot Password and reset it through the email or SMS link you receive. Open your reset link in the same device and browser where you started the reset to avoid security mismatches. If you are stuck on a verification code screen, request a new code and wait a full minute before trying again. Check your spam or junk folder for LinkedIn emails and search for LinkedIn Security in your inbox. Make sure your email inbox is not full and your phone can receive SMS messages without blocking unknown senders. If the code never arrives, try the alternative method like email instead of SMS or SMS instead of email. If you see account restricted or challenge required, follow the on-screen steps and do not refresh repeatedly. Clear LinkedIn app cache on Android from Settings, Apps, LinkedIn, Storage, then clear cache. On iPhone, offload or delete and reinstall the LinkedIn app to remove corrupted local data. In a browser, clear cookies and site data for LinkedIn.com. Then restart the browser and try again. Try signing in using an incognito or private window to rule out cookie and extension conflicts. Disable browser extensions like ad blockers or script blockers temporarily, then attempt login again. If you use two-step verification, confirm your Authenticator app time is synced automatically in device settings. If your Authenticator codes fail, use your backup codes if you save them when enabling two-step verification. If you change phones, transfer your Authenticator account properly or reset two-step verification via LinkedIn Recovery. Check if LinkedIn is down by searching LinkedIn status and waiting if there is a known outage. If you receive repeated, too many attempts, stop trying for 15 to 30 minutes to let the security lock cool down. Verify that your device date and time are set to automatic because incorrect time can break verification. If LinkedIn asks for ID verification, submit a clear photo in good lighting and use your real matching name details. If nothing works, contact LinkedIn support from the Help Center and include screenshots, your email, and the exact error text. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.